Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to enhance audio in Filmora application. Enhancing audio in Filmora application involves several steps to improve clarity, volume, and overall quality of your audio. So the first thing to do is to open up your Filmora application. Open up a project containing the video with the audio you want to enhance. Tap on the video clip on the timeline in order to select it. Soon after you do that, you will be able to see several menus at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the volume icon at the bottom in order to increase or decrease the volume of the audio track as needed. Filmora allows you to adjust the volume of the audio independently from the video clip. You can also apply the fade in or fade out effect for the audio. Drag the slider under fade in or fade out in order to apply the effect onto your video. After you are done, click on the tick mark. Scroll through other options such as noise reduction at the bottom menu toolbar. If you click on noise reduction, then the noise reduction feature will be applied to your audio. Similarly, you can also mute or unmute the audio clip by clicking on the speaker icon at the top left. So that is how you will be able to enhance your audio in Filmora application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.